Hey guys, so today we will start research, okay? Means we have already started, but we will start a new topic, research problem. So let's start. Before starting, I want to ask you a questions from my previous lecture, which is you have to say the meaning of research, okay? Just comment below the meaning of research. Okay, so let's start define research problem. Meaning of research problem. You will start with meaning of research problem. So basically the meaning of research problem is a problem a researcher want to solve, okay? Means a problem researcher want to focus and want to solve in his or her respective research study. Let's see. An issue or a concern that a researcher presents or justify in a research study. See, a problem which I suppose I want to study in life experiences of a cancer patient. So that is my problem and I want to solve it. I want to know about it. So that's an issue and concern or a concern I will present in my research study and I will justify that, okay? So that is the meaning of research problem. A problem a researcher want to solve, okay? Or a question, if previous meaning you don't like, then you can write it in this way also. A question that a researcher wants to answer or a problem that a researcher wants to solve. A question that a researcher wants to answer, there is a questions that how a cancer patient is surviving in in his daily life, how he is managing his daily activities like a normal patient. So that is a question I want to answer to everyone, so that in that topic I will do my research. So that is my research problem, a question that I want to answer, or a problem that a researcher wants to solve. There is a problem a researcher wants to solve. Okay, if that you can write this also instead of this. A problem or an question that researcher solves. A problem or a question that a researcher wants to solve. So I hope all these are clear. Let's see the definition now. Okay, so a research problem is the situation that causes the researcher to feel apprehensive, confused, and a problem that a researcher wants to solve. As I have already told you in the meaning, that a research problem is a situation. It's a situation that causes the researcher to feel, confused and apprehensive. The researcher will be very much confused that why this is happening, how this is happening, where, which, when. All these questions will comes under researcher head. So they will be very confused and they will be very curious, and they will they would like to solve that question, that confusion. So that is research problem. Okay, or you can write this definition also, a question that a researcher project sets out to answer. It's very easy, right? Third one is a statement about an area of concern, a condition to be improved, a difficulty to be eliminated, or a question that exists in theories that need meaningful understanding and deliberate investigation. Okay, so there is a statement, that, yeah, so an area of concern. Okay, so there is a statement, I will present, if I want to research on something, I will present a statement there I will present an area of concern, okay, that this thing is happening and we need to improve this. A condition to be improved, okay, there is a anywhere environmental sanitation is not maintaining, they are not maintaining properly. And in a village, suppose, just imagine a village, that girl childs are not getting education, or children are not getting proper nutrition. So that is leading to protein energy malnutrition. Just imagine that. So that conditions to be improved. So I will write in my status, I will present that, okay, this area is an area of concern and this condition needs to be improved. And a difficulty to be eliminated. If someone is having any kind of difficulty in some procedure or in some area, in our nursing field or in our medical field, then we can try to eliminate that difficulty by doing research. or a question that exists in theory that needs meaningful understanding and deliberate investigation. Suppose there is some researchers have done some research, and there is some there is some theory, just imagine, and that needs meaningful understanding and investigation, further investigation, then that I can present in my statement and I can do research about it. So yeah, that's all. So I hope you understand the meaning and definition of research problem. The one thing you have to remember, which is a research problem is a problem a researcher want to solve. Okay. Now if they ask you that this question, identification of research problem, how will you decide that okay, this is the problem I want to solve? Let's see. First step of research process. Identification of a research problem is the first and most important step in research process. If you study the research process, you will understand that identification of a research problem is the first step and the most important step. Okay. Second one is make specific one sentence statement problem. Now what's that mean? One specific statement problem, what's that mean? Let's see. At first, a wide or broad area is selected. Then a broad topic narrowed down to a specific one sentence of the problem. Okay, one sentence statement of the problem. So okay, we will obviously, whatever we are going to study, that will be a broad area, no? A life experiences of a cancer patient, this is a very broad area, but I have to present my my research in a small sentence so that one can study that okay, life experiences of cancer patients. So this is the topic and they will understand. If I give them a broad and a very wide description of my research problem, they will not understand. Maybe they will find, maybe they in that statement they have too many problems and they won't understand what specific point I am justifying in my study. So I will have to give them a very brief and a very one sentence and narrow down a specific one sentence statement of my problem, so they can understand okay, this is the area and this is the particular specific topic she wants to focus. So yeah, I hope that's clear. So see, if you just present a very deal research problem, then they might, whoever is reading your research problem, they might find something else also. So they might think that you are researching on that topic, not on the topic you are you intend to. So yeah, so you need to present a specific one sentence topic, though, so that it can be very obvious that in this topic you want to do research. So make things clear. Okay, now let's see sources of finding research problem. How will you find your research problem? Let's see. Personal experience, practical experience, clinical appraisal of literature, previous research, social issue, brainstorming, intuition, folklores, exposure to field situation, existing theories, consultation with experts. Okay, so I will explain each of the point in my next video. And if you have any doubt till now, if you have any problem in the meaning or definition, then do let me know. Okay, thank you.